Before I get my day started with you guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the feedback. That, you know, with the vlogging thing, you guys want me to daily vlog, so I'm gonna try to daily vlog for you guys. Bear with me. I'm gonna try. But if you guys really love my videos and like really love me and want me to keep doing it, continue to comment and involve yourself in my vlogs. That way I know you guys actually like what I'm doing, you know what I mean? And sharing my videos, of course, like, hello, tell your friend to tell her friend, her baby daddy, and her baby daddy's girlfriend. So no, I'm just playing. But yeah, tell everybody to come over and watch me, because yeah, I want to do this vlogging thing. I really do enjoy it. So before I get anything started, I just want to tell you guys that, and I love you guys, and I feel special. I feel so special that you guys want to watch me. And so my husband said he's scared of driving behind cars with these things hanging out. Y'all see that pole stuff on the back of that guy's truck? Because it reminds me of Final Destination. I don't know if you guys remember that movie, but that's what it reminds me. We're at Dave and Buster's. Zero freaking below. So we're at Dave and Buster's. I'm stuck in here. Harder than it looks, huh? I'm stuck at this game. Like, I don't even know how to play it, so I don't wanna do it. My husband probably can do it better than me though, so let's see if we win. Y'all, my husband won a bicycle so bad. Look at what he did. We at Dave and Buster's, y'all. Look at this. Because he ain't getting one in real life, because they're dangerous. So you better have fun in this game, okay? All the damn ice. I could be in a commercial with my hair blowing like this. So we had fun. We're leaving now. I think we're about to go to the grocery store. Games to real life, right? Back to reality. I'm about to bet my husband and see how much our groceries is gonna be. What's your bet?
Yeah, 40 bucks.
40 bucks, I think. I'm gonna say 30.
And beyond.
We just got back home and I'm about to put away these groceries and cook dinner. So I'm gonna close out the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.